Welcome to the tutorial on how to increase YouTube views, likes and subscribers. First step, open site@views.club. Access site in your phone. Second step, paste your video link or YouTube channel link. Select speed delivery. Click in connect. Select what you want. Now you need to make a verification to prove that you are not a robot. Click and verify. To complete the verification, you need download 2 apps or number phone verification. After downloading the app, keep it open for 40 seconds or complete the intro tutorial. After downloading the 2 apps, go back to the site and restart page. Now just wait for the views to start being sent.